8500 watts handheld desktop dual-purpose laser welding machine. Suitable for welding of stainless steel, galvanized sheet, and other metal sign. Use YAG pulse laser welding, fine spot, beautiful effect. Equipped with full power 武汉中鼓. The welding speed is fast and firm. Customizable electricity, pulse width, frequency, simple operation. Marble working surface, the overall working area of 1000 times 2000 millimeters. High welding efficiency, large depth of molten pool, solid welding, small heat impact, small deformation, beautiful surface.